Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna take you to see the kitties. There's a street cat, we named her Caramel, and she just gave birth a few weeks ago, and there are 6 babies. And how to say kitties in Chinese? In Chinese we say 小奶猫,小奶猫. 小奶猫 means the kitties that still need to drink milk, or in general you can call like small cats. In Chinese, 小猫,小猫. 小 means small, 猫 means cat. So in general, if you see small cats or kitties, and we can say 小猫,小猫. 小猫 is a more generalized noun for kitties. And number 6, we say 六,六. And the measure word for animals, use 只,只. So, for example, a sentence, there are 6 kitties. In Chinese, we say, 这里有6只小奶猫. Or you can say, 这里有6只小猫,这里有6只小猫. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something. And if you liked the video, please click like, give us encouragement. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.